How to fix WhatsApp not working on Android. This tutorial walks through the app and network fixes that resolve this most of the time. First, long press the WhatsApp app icon from your home screen or app drawer. From there, tap App Info. After that, tap Battery. At this point, set it to unrestricted instead of optimized or restricted, since aggressive battery settings can quietly prevent WhatsApp from staying connected or receiving messages properly. Following this, back out and tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache. At this stage, check your internet connection next by swiping down to open the Quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Following this, go back into App Info and tap Force Stop. From here, tap OK to confirm. At this stage, if it's still not working, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out completely, so make sure you know your login details before continuing and confirm when prompted. Following this, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. From here, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. At this stage, open WhatsApp and check whether it's working properly now. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.